Hey, it's Mark, RPM Tesla. These are now shipping. Brand new center caps for the Tesla Model 3, 19-inch wheels, carbon fiber center hubs. Real molded carbon fiber. They replace the existing hub in your vehicle. They go on and off very easy. Just simply slide it out. Metal ring retains it, the retainer ring, just like on the stock ones. Inserting it's the same way. Locks right in place. No hole. Easy removal. Solid carbon fiber laid over fiberglass. It's not a wrap. It's amazing, beautiful quality. Just put them here on our model. Now shipping. RPM Tesla. And again, these are handmade. I hope I don't repeat myself, but we only have 15 sets of these to ship. We only can make about 100 a month. So we know they're gonna go fast and we're not gonna gouge on the pricing. We're about to show you how to install our brand new solid carbon fiber molded center wheel caps for the Tesla Model 3 19-inch wheel only. This will not fit on the 18-inch wheel, only on the stock 19-inch wheels. So after you get it out of the package, you should have a metal retaining ring that's going to squeeze outward to stay inside of the wheel hub. And let's show you how you take the current one off. So in your glove box, you should have a trim removal tool, a wheel trim removal tool. Just basically an Allen wrench. Most Tesla owners got this, not all of them. But we're gonna show you how to take the current one off. Now you can do it by simply grabbing on the leg, back up, and taking it off. But we're gonna show you the way Tesla designed it. So you take your Allen wrench and you stick it in the hole that's right in the wheel and you pull. That's it. That's how you take it off. And to install the carbon fiber RPM Tesla, just simply set it up and line up the center and push in, and that's it. Now ours doesn't have this silly hole. We made it out of reinforced fiberglass, real thick, and carbon fiber over it. So you'll never have to use this tool again. Whenever you want to take ours off for any reason, you need to balance the tires or take it to a wheel shop, just gently lift on one of the legs and pull it off, and that's it. Now you have access to all the lug nuts. But again, we're just going to simply insert it in the middle and push. That's it. Now shipping. RPM Tesla carbon fiber molded center wheel caps for the 19-inch OEM Tesla wheel. Only for 19-inch, not 18-inch.